Welcome to my channel. Today I have an inspiring story to share with you. It's about an ordinary day that turned into something extraordinary. By listening to this story, you'll learn 100 daily routine English sentences in a fun and easy way. Not only will you improve your English vocabulary, but you'll also feel inspired to make positive changes in your life. We will follow a person through a normal day, from the moment they wake up in the morning to when they go to bed at night. Along the way, you'll hear each step in clear English with a strong American accent. As you listen, you'll pick up these useful phrases naturally and boost your confidence. Get ready to improve your English and your motivation as we begin this journey. For example, you'll hear common sentences about waking up, having breakfast, working, and relaxing, all woven into the story. By the end of the video, you will be confident using these phrases in your own life. For a long time, I had felt stuck in old habits and my days felt the same. Each morning I would wake up with a heavy heart and a sense that something was missing. I knew I needed a change, but I didn't know where to start. But today is different. Today I decide that even small steps can make a difference. I promise myself to try things differently this morning. The alarm rings and I open my eyes. My heart is beating with excitement. I wake up at 6 a.m. feeling ready for the day ahead. I get out of bed and stretch my arms high above my head. I open the window and breathe in the fresh morning air. The warm sun rays fill the room, and I smile, feeling hopeful. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth to feel fresh and confident. I enjoy the minty taste as I brush. I rinse and wash my face. I take a quick, refreshing shower. The cool water feels great on my skin, shaking off any sleepiness. After that, I pick out comfortable clothes and put them on. I tie my shoelaces tightly and look at myself in the mirror. I like how I look. I feel ready. In the kitchen, I prepare a healthy breakfast of eggs, toast, and fresh fruit. I put on some calm music and the kitchen fills with warmth and the smell of coffee. I eat slowly to fuel my body. I pack my bag and double-check that I have everything I need, my notebook, phone, and keys. Before I leave, I water my plants and feed my fish. I take a moment to enjoy these peaceful chores. These small tasks make me feel calm and responsible. I drink a glass of water to hydrate. I check the weather forecast and pack an umbrella in case it rains. I step outside and see my neighbor walking his dog. I say good morning to him with a cheerful wave. I walk to the bus stop with a smile. The city is waking up around me. I catch the bus to work. I sit on the bus and look out the window. I see people walking their dogs and cars passing by. I listen to an English podcast, practicing my language skills while I plan my tasks for the day. I arrive at the office on time. I press the elevator button and go to my floor. The office is quiet and calm in the early morning. As I head to my desk, I say hello to my coworkers and greet my boss with a friendly smile. At my desk, I turn on my computer. I check my emails and see a to-do list waiting for me. I feel motivated to start my work. For the next few hours, I focus on my tasks. I write a report and proofread it carefully. Each word makes me feel proud of my progress. Sometimes I feel a little tired, but I keep going, reminding myself that each step is progress. Soon I have a meeting with my team. I join the video call and I take notes during the meeting. I listen carefully to feedback from my colleagues. Even when the work is challenging, I remember that I am learning and growing with every task. At noon, I have lunch with my colleagues. We eat a sandwich and drink tea together. The break room is quiet and warm as we enjoy our meal. I relax for a moment, sipping my tea, and chat with my teammates. We share jokes and smiles. After lunch, I decide to walk in the park during my break to clear my mind. I step outside and walk under the trees. I feel the gentle breeze and the warm sun on my face. I enjoy the fresh air and the sounds of birds. I feel refreshed and I return to work feeling focused. In the afternoon, I continue working on my project. I organize my desk and set the next tasks in my planner. If I feel tired around 3 p.m., I drink a cup of coffee to stay alert. The rich aroma helps me wake up. I join another video call where I present my ideas confidently and answer questions. I speak clearly and listen carefully to feedback. After the meeting, I take a short break. I stretch and chat with a friend about our weekend plans. We share a quick laugh and I feel happy. Then I go back to work, motivated to finish. By the end of the workday, I finish all my tasks. I turn off my computer and save my work. I stand up from my desk and take a deep breath. I say goodbye to my coworkers and thank them for their help. They smile and wave as I leave. I walk out of the office building and step onto the street. The sun is setting and the sky is painted with pink and orange clouds. I feel proud of what I achieved today. I walk home after work. The neighborhood is quiet and peaceful in the evening light. On my way, I stop by the grocery store. I pick up fresh vegetables and some fruit for dinner. The grocery store has bright lights and friendly staff. I smile as the cashier wishes me a good evening. When I get home, I prepare dinner. I wash and cut the vegetables. I cook a healthy meal. The sound of chopping and the smell of cooking food fill the kitchen. I set the table and my family sits down. We eat dinner together and talk about our day at the dinner table. I share some of the English sentences I learned today, and it makes everyone laugh. My younger sibling repeats a sentence, and we all giggle. It feels good to bring English learning into our family time. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I turn on the faucet and feel the warm water on my hands. I hum a song as I clean up. I relax on the couch afterward. I put on some calming music and read a chapter of a book I love. The words draw me into another world. I spend time with my family and my pet. I feed my dog and watch him wag his tail happily. He looks at me with love, and I feel grateful. Later, I check my phone for messages. I see messages from friends and family. I reply to them with a smile. I write in my journal about what I did today. I write down the English sentences I used and what I learned from them. I reflect on how each sentence represented a step I took today. I feel a sense of satisfaction as I write the last sentence. I say affirmations to myself quietly. I am proud of myself for making today productive. These positive thoughts fill me with confidence. I plan my schedule for tomorrow and set the alarm. I choose something small and fun to look forward to. I write one more line in my journal and then close it. I feel ready for tomorrow. I take a warm shower before bed to relax my body. The hot water feels soothing on my muscles. I brush my teeth at night and put on my pajamas. I set the alarm for the next morning. I turn off the lights and say goodnight to my family. My room is dark and quiet. I lie down on my bed. I take a deep breath and reflect on the day. I think about what I learned and how I grew. I feel grateful for another good day. Finally, I drift off to sleep feeling happy and excited for tomorrow.